Hello everyone, my name is Clay, and in today's tutorial video I want to go over everything that you need to know about templates, building templates, and sharing templates within Fina. So Fina is a tool that is unique in the financial tracking space because we allow people to create their own custom blocks and their own custom pages. So as you can see here on this page right now, you can see this one's called Corey Arnold Money Management. This is one of our creators, Corey. She's awesome. She has a great Twitter account that she posts a ton of financial tips and insights on. And so basically, Corey has created her own template within Fina. And this is the unique way that she tracks her finances. And so she ultimately shares this template with other people. So I'm sure you guys have seen this where people go and they create a budget spreadsheet or a financial tracking spreadsheet and they share that with other people. This is the same concept, but within Fina, the really cool part is all of these blocks and all of these pages are connected to your live financial data. So you can connect all of your accounts using Plaid and MoneyKit. You can come in here and see all your transactions, categorize all your transactions, and then essentially create your own dashboards for reporting and share these with other people. So one of our missions and one of our goals here at Fina is to allow people to spread the way that they track their finances with others, because we feel like financial literacy is a big problem all across the world, and one of the ways that people learn about tracking their finances is usually from a friend or from other people. It's not often taught in schools, and so it's generally taught within communities, and we want people to be able to create their very own tracking systems and then spread those and share those with other people. So if you come into Fina, you can create a page completely from scratch, or you can directly import some from our templates. If you go on our website, there's a general section called templates. So I'm gonna go and show you guys this now. If you come to our website and you click on the templates button, you'll be able to see a ton of different unique templates that you can check out within Fina. But what's really cool about our tool is if you come to a page, you can create a page from scratch. And you can also see a bunch of pre-built blocks and scenarios directly within the tool. So if I wanted to see, total expenses, maybe I wanted to see total income, I could start to add these things and start to create a page for myself. So again, all of these blocks are totally customizable. So we're not gonna actually walk through the process of creating these customized blocks in this video. There's a bunch of other videos on how to do that, but I just wanted to show you guys a couple quick examples of some templates that do exist within our tool. As you can see, here's one from Corey. Like I said, she has total expenses, total rent and bills, total food, all these breakdowns, net worth numbers, emergency fund numbers, budgeting, and I'll click through a few other examples. Here's one that is specifically subscription tracking. Here's one of my favorites from one of our creators, Erin. She has one that goes over a bunch of financial goals, it goes over budgeting, and it goes over both an annual and a monthly review. But as you can see here, all these blocks give you the ability to track unique things. And so in her use case, she likes to track, again, things like her total yearly income with a goal, her total yearly expenses with a goal, how much money she's saving, monthly income and expense breakdowns, total needs versus total wants. So essentially in this case, breaking out categories into needs buckets and wants buckets. And basically there's a ton of customizable things that you could see within Fina in terms of how you actually want to track your finances. So once you have set up your own custom page, you can come up here to the top right corner and you can click this share button. And as you can see here, you have a couple different ways of sharing. We have the ability to add people directly to our page itself. So maybe you're trying to add a spouse, a partner, an accountant, something like that to look at some of the reports with you. You can do that here. But if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll notice here this general access area. If you have it on restricted, only yourself will be able to see this or the people that you share it with. But if you go ahead and make it public, these operate very similar to Notion templates or to Google Spreadsheet templates. But you can make it public and you have a few options. You're able to actually fake the numbers that are on the page. You're able to hide the amounts, or you're able to make it fully visible to people. So again, most people fake the numbers. They're not trying to share their finances. They just want to share how they track them. And so they'll make the link public. They will fake the numbers, and then they'll go ahead and copy this link here and they'll click save. So once you do go ahead and copy that link, you can open up a new tab. Actually, let me make sure this is in the same window here for us. There we go. So I can open up a new tab, copy this link, and you will notice that you have a new template that you've shared with people. So when someone views this template, they'll be able to come in here. They'll be able to import this template directly into their own account. The cool part about templates within Fina is you're able to actually just directly import someone's template, and then it will be populated with your own live financial data. So that's the cool part about templates. The other thing is, if Aaron, for example, in this case, has a bunch of different categories than I have, I can actually go and change my category schema if I would like. And also, if Erin wants to share her own category schema with me, I can actually adopt her entire category schema as well. So you're able to share lists of categories as well as share templates on how you're actually tracking your finances. The last thing that I will mention is if you click on your profile and you click on the settings, any template that you share within Fina, you will have a partner link automatically attached to it. So if you share a referral link for Fina for other people to sign up, or you share a template, there will be a code, and that will be attached to your template so that you will earn recurring revenue on people who are using your template. So that's the cool part. We do have that affiliate program and that partnership program set up already. So any template you share both benefits you and the other person. So hopefully this makes sense. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed, and let us know if you have any questions on templates. We're always here to help. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.